Well, the Max Train murder trial, you can see it went off the rails today. Today, suspect Jeremy Christian screamed, "I should have killed you," and shouted several racist statements to a witness during sentencing before he was removed from the courtroom. Now, earlier in the day, Black Lives Matter protesters rallied in support of the witness who has had to face off with Christian in court several times during this lengthy trial. Our Jacqueline Abad joins us now live with much more on what happened in that tense day in court. Jacqueline?
Wayne, court was tense today, and court actually wrapped up within the last few minutes, and it will resume tomorrow. So far, we've heard from about 9 people who've been impacted by this tragedy. Those are loved ones, witnesses, and those who were directly impacted on that Max train in 2017. One of them was Demetria Hester, and after she spoke, Jeremy Christian had a violent outburst in the courtroom. Hear what he had to say.
Go back to Tennessee, too.
What did I tell you?
Go back to Tennessee, too.
We
don't want you here. All your race-baiting bull. You ain't gonna be mayor either. You ain't gonna be mayor either. George Ford.
Are you ready?
George Ford.
From there, he was escorted out of the courtroom, and the judge said he forfeited his right to sentencing to listen to those victim impact statements. Now, you'll remember Christian was found guilty earlier this year on murder charges. He killed 2 men and injured a third on the Portland Max train back in 2017. They were trying to defend 2 black teens, one who was wearing a hijab, who Christian was yelling at. Today, some of the victims had a chance to share how this tragedy has impacted their lives.
Ricky, Bess, and Talesian are heroes. We will continue to fight until everyone, like Jeremy, is off the streets and they are not welcome here.
To bring me down, tear me down, and knock a beautiful African-American, athletic student, honor student, an employee, and an entrepreneur, and you still lost. I not only survived a hate speech from a white privileged supremacist man, but I thrived, and I'll forever thrive.
After he was taken out for the first time, the attorney representing Micah Fletcher said they wanted Christian to listen to what they had to say. Christian today was listening to those statements in another courtroom with a video feed. That was after he was taken out. The judge did make those changes. Now, Christian's facing life in prison without the possibility of parole. At minimum, he may be granted possibility of parole after 30 years. Again, court just wrapped up a couple of minutes ago, and the judge says it will resume tomorrow morning. We plan on hearing from people like Micah Fletcher and a few others for the sentencing hearing. Reporting live in downtown Portland, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.